Looking for a pizza dough recipe? Follow this one and in 2 hours you'll have your pizza dough ready to roll. This recipe will make dough for two 12-inch pizzas. To a mixing bowl, add half a cup of warm water. It should not be hot, just warm. You can put your finger in and it should feel just warm. Too hot water can kill the yeast that we're going to add. To it, add half a tablespoon of sugar. Mix it in so the sugar dissolves. Then add 1.5 teaspoon of dried active yeast and stir it. Cover the bowl and let it rest for about 7 to 10 minutes. After about 7 minutes, we'll see this water is bubbly and frothy, so we know the yeast has woken up and is good to use. In another mixing bowl, take 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, add half a tablespoon of sugar and half a tablespoon of salt. Mix them all well and add them to the yeast bowl. Mix them together and add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now we'll make a soft dough out of the mixture. We'll add warm water little at a time. We'll need around half a cup of water, but add little at a time as needed. Knead it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now the dough will be smooth and spring back when lightly touched. Once it's done, grease the bowl with a little olive oil and place the dough. Coat the dough with some oil too. Cover it and let it rest in a warm, cozy place. I'm putting mine in the oven. Oven's not on or heated. After about 1.5 to 2 hours, you'll see the dough has doubled in size. Punch it down, give it a quick knead, and divide it into 2 balls. You can roll them into pizzas now, or if you're going to make them a little later, like I had to make them after about 5 to 6 hours, so put it in the fridge at this point and take it out about 2 hours before you're going to make the pizza. When you're ready to roll, sprinkle some flour onto a surface and roll it with a rolling pin or flatten it with your hands. And it's ready for your sauce and toppings. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. See you soon with an easy to make pizza sauce recipe. Thanks for watching.